Today I'm going to do a quick product review on this 7-in-1 card reader, the Warrky that I got. Just a little history here. Let me pull over here. So this is my trading laptop. It's a budget-friendly laptop. It's great. I love it. The only problem is it has a slow modem inside. It's a 2.4 gigahertz. You techies know what that is. I wanted to harness the power of my 5 gigahertz speed. So introduce this guy. This is my TP-Link access point 1300. It's quick enough for me. I can do all my things and I can harness, and it's an external. So it plugs right here. And you can see it's not connected to the internet. Now it is. That's all fine and grand, but if I need to use the cloud to retrieve and also store some of my digital format pictures using this guy and trying to get to the cloud, how am I going to do that when this is already plugged in? The card reader uses the USB 3, and I want to harness the power of both. So I don't want to keep unplugging, plugging back in, unplugging, plugging back in the unit. So that's where this guy comes in. This guy is a 7-in-1 card reader. Let me get into the light here. You can see there's USB 3. There is the big guy for the card reader and the other smaller guy for this one. And more ports in the back. So now I can unplug this guy, plug it in, plug this other guy here into the USB 3. So now I got my modem working. You can see the lights blinking there. And then also I could use this guy. Let's see, it should be up this way. So now I can cruise the net, download stuff, use the cloud, and I also can use my digital format from my camcorder, my other cameras, so I can upload the pictures. I'll show you it actually works here. Get in here. There you can see there's the card reader right there. And this comes from the camcorder. And there are my pictures. And also, if you look, I am connected to the net right there. Beauty about this guy is it doesn't have a external power supply. So if you plan to use this guy with multiple cards for long periods of time, I would suggest you plug in your laptop so you can power the USB, give it ample power so it doesn't drain your battery and slow down your performance. This is a great unit. It's fairly inexpensive to get for the solution you have, and that is for a laptop that has only, or a regular desktop that only has one port, as most of these budget computers or laptops do have. There is the other port here, but I want to use the USB-C 3.0 because most of the card readers and most of the accessories are standard with USB-C 3.0, not this plug. So if you're interested in one of these, the link is in the bio. And also, if you are interested in the modem, this guy, the modem, also link is in the description, the bio down there too.